I'm a polar bear with snow white fur, and I live in the cold, cold sea, where the icebergs flow, where I always go, where a polar bear loves to be. In the coldest lands, in the coldest lands, where the wind will freeze your feet and hands, where there is no grass, where there is no trees, where a polar bear loves to be. I'm a polar bear with snow white fur, where I live is really nice. My coat is thick, I never get sick when I swim beneath the ice. In the coldest land,